بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope everyone is fit and fine and they are obviously waiting to open the school. Let's hope for the best. Well, my name is Ms. Shazia Zahir. I am the English teacher in the Educator Farooq Class campus. Today, 27 Jan 2021, Wednesday, I'm taking class 5 English. Well, student, in my previous classes, I taught you chapter number 17, Natasha's doll, in which you met a girl who was Natasha. She used to be a very poor girl, and the story was very interesting. In this chapter, you also met Baba Yaga, who was a magician. So let's learn more about Natasha. How do we learn? Which is what exactly the topic of today. Today I am going to teach you something which is characterization. I will tell you more about Natasha by teaching you the characterization. What is actually this? Characterization is something we do to explain more about the person. We tell the personality about the person but not the appearance personality, the character the person contains. For example, Natasha was very fearful because she used to be afraid of the stepsister and stepmother. Natasha was very innocent because she used to follow whatever the stepmother used to say to her. These kind of characters are described in the characterization, by which we easily come to know what kind of person is he or she. Let's start with this. First of all, we need to identify the person with some adjectives by which we can easily know that what is the type of that person. For starting the characterization, first of all, we need to do the background of the person. First adjective should be background. In the background heading, we add more information about the person. How old is he? Where did he live? And what kind of the objects does he contain? Does she contain? So first of all, I will tell you about Natasha. Natasha was a poor girl. She was nearly 18 years old. And further, we know she lives near a thick forest. She lives near the thick forest. She was heartbroken because her mother died. This was the initiative information about Natasha. Let's do more about Natasha. After reading the chapter, we come to know that Natasha was a very innocent child. Yes. Natasha was innocent because she used to follow all the instruction given by her stepsisters, because she was very afraid of them and she used to follow properly whatever the stepsister and mother used to say. She doesn't think whether it is good or bad, but in her innocence she used to follow the orders. Yes, why she used to follow the orders? Because she was fearful of the mother. So Natasha was fearful because she was afraid of Baba Yaga when her sister sent her there. Got it? Obviously, she was very fearful because Baba Yaga was a magician. She was a witch. And she used to spell the magics to the people. That is why Natasha was very much fearful and scared to Baba Yaga. Lucky Why I choose this positive adjective? Because Natasha, at the end we come to know that Natasha was very lucky one. At the end what happened, his father came and she told each and everything to his father, and his father gave punishment to her stepsister, and she got a lucky doll as well, which was granted by her died mother. So at the end I would say Natasha was a very lucky child. Natasha was lucky enough because why? Always we need to tell the reason why she is that. Whatever the adjective we are choosing, we need to tell about why is it so. Because she was lucky, because she had a granted doll which her mother gave her, and the doll was very helpful for her. This is the total and complete characterization of Natasha. By doing this, we easily come to know what kind of girl was she. Got it? Well, students, your homework is do the characterization of Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga, whom you made in chapter number 17. You have to do the characterization of Baba Yaga, who was a magician. I have written the characteristics by which you can take help. And if you don't want to use these characteristics, these adjectives to describe the character of Baba Yaga, you can do by your own. You can choose your own adjectives after reading chapter number 17. In my point of view, Baba Yaga was a magician, so you can write in the background that he was a magician, he was very old, she was very old, she was a witch, she used to live under the thick forest where she used to spare the words, like this. And the characteristics are ugly, she was very ugly, she was messy. You remember very well that why she was messy. She was very messy. She used to live in a dirty house where she told Natasha to complete all the home chores before early in the morning. She was screaming as well. Yes, she was very screaming. She used to make the people scared and fear by doing the magic, and there was some skull kept after the door and near the house. That's why I think she was screaming. But you can use your own adjective to describe the character of Baba Yaga by your own. You have to complete this. We will meet in our Zoom class. Allah Hafiz.